You gonna walk toward me? Come here.
Come here, Callie. Come here, Callie. Come here, Callie.
I didn't call you Callie.
I can walk. Come here. Come here, Snake. Come here. Come on. Come on, Snake.
Riley.
Come on. Come on, Callie.
Walk toward me.
Get over here.
Oh. Oh no, she's gonna watch TV. Come here.
Come on.
Come here. There you go. Oh.
Oh,
Taking the easy route.
cheater.
Taking the easy route.
There we go. Uh-oh. Throw you away. Steady, Callie. Come on. Callie. Callie, go outside. Go on. It's hot, but go ahead. I'll show you this time. Come on. I'll cut it off. Riley. Spider. You better get up and walk to me. Come on, get up and walk, cheater. Uh-oh. It's hard when you're looking straight up, ain't it? Come on. Come on. Riley. Come on. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know how to walk.
She's doing all morning.
Alice's favorite toy. I think it feels good on her gums though.
Hi. Hi.
Alice has loved that toy. I bought that toy for $1 at Walmart when he was like 7 weeks old, 8 weeks old. And he's loved that toy ever since. It's the one toy he's always loved.
I did all of those things when I was your age, and it can be pretty stressful, but I did it. And here I am.
Oh. Pillow in the way.
Me, Jennifer, are a lot alike.
What's in your mouth?
Really?
Something in there? No, just pee. Yeah, tongue. Well, get up. Come on, Spider.
Simon, I was wondering, would you like to get some pizza after school today?
Come on, Riley.
While I teach you with my long extra credit essay, my great phenomenal top Emma, and
I was hoping she'd get distracted by my little strap.
Come on, Spider. Riley. Let's walk.
She's like refusing to do it.
I know. Rotten. Yay! Yay!
Oh.
Gotta drop the stick. Well, come on! Yay! Yeah. Come on, get up. Walk, Spider, walk. Come on. Let's see what you got. Come on. Here, stand up on that. Now use it to stand up on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Now what? No TV.
Now what are you gonna do?
So the black screen is just as interesting. Are you kidding me? is what she did the other day. She was cracking up laughing. Every time I point the camera on her, she'd stop. She was playing with Callie.
There we go.
Hey! We knew you could do it. Oh, excuse me. Come here, Spider. Riley. Come on. Oh, you're the phone, don't you? Come on. Well, come here. What is it? Come on. Oh, this is so weird.
Are you coming toward me? Are you going toward mommy? Oops.
Alright, look at this thing. Can you see the blue ring right there? See how it's like
Yeah.
spinning? It's
Yeah.
not.
Oh, it's because the way it's capturing the light or whatever.
It's very weird. Very weird like this spider. Come on, get up. Come on, there's my leg. You got it. Come on. She usually uses the back of my leg when I do that. Yep, there we go. But you gotta let go. Usually I have shorts on this leg, so she lets go. Scooting to the couch, huh?
She knows where it's at.
Yep. Come here. Yay. Yeah, wobbly. Weeble wobble.
There you go. Look at you. Ooh.
Yay, Riley. She's a walker.
Ooh, that was a good one. I didn't even count how many steps.
I didn't either. Oh,
But we recorded it, so.
You're going to have to show that to my mom.
Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube.
Can you really?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Come here, Buggy. So I walk all the way over here for you to move over there. Come on, Buggy. Here, Bug. Hey, Buggy. Come on. Oh, uh-oh. Cheater. Come on. Run. Oh. She loves the fan. She used to hate it. Now she like climbs on it.
Yeah, I was watching her earlier, like pushing it over.
Yeah, she gets that. She's like, like it takes her breath away or something. Alright, there you go. You stood up. Come here, Spider. Riley. What's my toys to play with? She could fit in that basket. Oh. Yay! Yay! So is your song not over yet?